Hello YouTube, my name is Josh Bryan. Today we are going to be talking about ALM Octane and my first thoughts on seeing it and walking through it, and I'm going to be taking you along with me just so we can all experience it together for the first time. So with that being said, let's hop on into it. So this is ALM Octane. The first thing I want to point out, we are no longer IE dependent. This is completely new. It's washing the slate clean. There's no, as far as I can see, any legacy software or GUI or that we are beholden to. So this is great. We got a fresh slate, fresh start. So let's start with the very top. We have ALM Octane. This will take us to the home page. We have different modules that we'll be walking through. I'll just start with the dashboard. We have our search feature, we have favorites, we have my work, which is the stuff that's assigned to me, the project that we're in, and again we have what's new, Octane University, all these different features. So let's hop in. We have inside of our dashboard here, again, this project has no information. This is something that we'll add later, but I just want to kind of walk through the different what it is and what it looks like. Just empty slate, brand new, out of the box. So we can add new. These are the different widgets. We have all, agile, quality backlog, application model, test coverage, create custom graph. Again, this is very reminiscent of Agile Manager. We can change the layout to however we like, as you can see here, to be whatever we want it to be. Okay? And then you can refresh. Refresh will go out to the database and repopulate the information here so it's all the newest and greatest. Going down, the backlog. This is very, very, very reminiscent of Agile Manager. So we have the overview. Again, we'll have specific graphs and widgets for these epics, features, stories, tests. So epics would be more of a high level. This is our release. Our features would be a little bit smaller, diving down into a specific feature or specific requirement or specific application or however you want to do it. User stories are the smaller requirements, and this is again just translating it back into a more waterfall methodology. The idea of Octane is a combination, a hybrid, a true hybrid of ALM, the traditional waterfall, and AGM, the strictly agile methodology. So this is kind of a combining of them. So some of the terminology is more toward the agile, but that's fine. It's just how your company will use the information. We have tests, which should be self-explanatory. So just moving on, and again, we will be circling back around and creating information for these. We have our defects, and these are just, again, we can create our defects however we want. Quality. Now, I am going to say something that I really like about this. We have the tests. Again, we have overview, which again, just the graphs, and we can look at the health. We have the tests here, and these are where the tests live. They live in the quality, which makes sense. But as opposed to traditional ALM, where you have the test plan and test module and everything, and it's all broken up, in this methodology, there's one location where the tests live. And that, to me, makes considerably more sense than having it broken up into different modules. So that's my 2 cents. We also have the defects here, and we will be creating more defects and test runs and such later. We have the team backlog. Again, this is for the Agile Manager, and this is where it integrates with the Agile Manager for the, again, strictly agile, but that the two softwares are integrating and sharing information, which is wonderful. The pipeline, this again is a new feature. This is again something that's been demanded by many clients, and this is where we can have our continuous integration in our CI server, where we can have our Jenkins or TeamCity and integrate with that and see that information here, and the information is still living in our Jenkins or TeamCity servers. we can actually see the information that's residing in our Jenkins or our TeamCity servers and actually use that information inside of our ALM Octane. So this is a wonderful new tool inside of ALM. So that again is my first thoughts with the ALM Octane and just out of the box, brand new, no data, and how it works. So we're going to dive in a couple more videos and actually start adding information and seeing how that displays in these different modules. So stay tuned for that. Again, my name is Josh Bryan. This is a first thoughts video of ALM Octane. If you have any questions about this or would like any further videos of ALM Octane or any other information, feel free to reach out at info@bnb.com. Thanks so much. Bye.